Beautiful swimming pool. Absolutely beautiful. The only thing that can take away from this absolute beautiful man-made oasis is if the homeowner is burdened with water getting behind the pool liner. Now, before landscape sod, sprinklers, cement, brick pavers, all that are in, we're putting in one of our in-ground swimming pool systems. I mean, the drainage that this provides around this pool, they'll never get water behind the liner. Now, just to tell you the difference in price, when you have sprinklers, sod, brick pavers, concrete, you're talking $5,000 if we have to do this and put the yard back together again. So that just tells you, when there's no sprinkler, sod to deal with, no concrete, no pavers, no landscape. See, we're full service. We're going to come in, we're going to fix it, and then we got to put it back together again. That's $5,000. I'm telling you right now. Look, the guys, they're putting 2 1-inch poly sprinkler pipes in for the sprinkler crew. We don't want them screwing up our system. And, you know, it's not their fault if they did. We got to set them up to succeed. We can't set them up for failure. That's our job, to know how to work with other contractors and complement them. This pool yard, this pool job, you know what? It's collectively a bunch of good trades working together to succeed and provide the homeowner, the client, the customer with the very best outcome. There's always those things that you can't foresee, but the things you can foresee, you take care of. You work together. You know, we got the best of the best on this project. We got McDonald doing the pool. I mean, you can't beat McDonald for the pool. We got NC Cement for the exposed aggregate concrete. I mean, they are the exposed aggregate specialists in Macomb Township, Michigan. It's an absolute pleasure working with good trades, and the outcome is just going to be beautiful. That 1550's got a lot of power, got a lot of flotation. We got a lot of loose dirt right here, but it's not an issue. Strong machine. You know, as soon as this pool yard's done with concrete, landscape, sprinkler system, let's not forget the fence. The fences nowadays. You think you took out a second mortgage when you buy these decorative fences. You don't want to screw those up. But to work around them is a nightmare. Beautiful job, guys. Beautiful job. Well done as always. This homeowner is not going to have any issues.